So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to draw the structures, the four structures of purine easily. Note that purine consists of a 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogenous containing ring fused together. So this is 6-membered. It's like an hexagon, right? So with 2 nitrogen. So without the nitrogen, to be benzene. So the 2 nitrogen here and here make it pyrimidine. And this is a 5-membered, like a pentagon. Do you understand that? So this or this and imidazole, right? So see a bond here, a bond here, a bond here, a bond here, then nitrogen, 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 nitrogen. So if these two fuse together, we're going to get purine. Hope you understand that. So we have 4 purines. We have the adenine, which is 6 aminopurine. We have guanine, which is 2 amino 6 oxipurine. We have hypoxanthine, which is 6 oxipurine, and we have xanthine, which is 2 6 dioxipurine. All right, so now let's label them. So adenine is 6 aminopurine. So this you have to imagine it as a clock. So if you imagine as a clock, you look for the position of 10 o'clock. So this be at 10 o'clock, right? This be at 10 o'clock. So this be your 1. So you will number it anticlockwise. Because you will number it anticlockwise. So this be your number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Open the standard. So there will be nitrogen here, there will be nitrogen here, nitrogen here, nitrogen here, right? So 6 aminopurine, that is on position 6, there will be a mine. So on this position 6, there will be a mine, and that's NH2, NH2, right? So there will be a bond here, there will be a bond here. So there will be a bond here, and there will be a bond here. So this is 6 aminopurine. Can you see on position 6 we have NH2? So this is 6 aminopurine. Alright, so moving on to guanine. Guanine is 2 amino 6 oxipurine. So on position 2, this is a position 2. I said that you will start from 10 o'clock. They will number anticlockwise, then 7, 8, 9. Hope you understand that. So this is a position 2. On position 2, we have amino, which is NH2. You do understand that? So on position 6, we have oxy. This is a position 6. No, oxygen we carry 2 bond. We carry double bond. So we have oxygen. So nitrogen will be here as usual. Nitrogen will be here. So nitrogen will be here also, and nitrogen will be here. Hope you understand that. So be a bond here. So this bond, the bond here is constant. The bond here and the bond here are constant. You understand? So they are not changing. So there will be a bond here because this is a single bond. There will be a bond here. But since this is a double bond, there will not be a bond here. So this is the structure of what? Of guanine. 2 amino 6 oxipurine. Hope you understand that. So for hypoxanthine, which is 6 oxipurine. So on position 6, there will be oxy. And that's the double bond. So that is all. Then put your nitrogen here. Will be here. Nitrogen will be here. Nitrogen will be here. Nitrogen will be here. Then the bond here and the bond here, I said they are constant. So there will be a bond here also, but there will not be a bond here because it's double bond, right? So this is 6 oxipurine. Then moving on to xanthine, which is 2 6 dioxipurine. So the bond here and the bond here are constant, right? So opposition 2, this position 2, oxy, and opposition 6 also oxy, right? So there will not be a bond here, not be a bond here. So you put your nitrogen, then your nitrogen. All right. So purine consists of what? A 6-membered and a 5-membered nitrogenous containing ring fused together. So pyrimidine and imidazole fused together to form a purine. Hope you understand that. Alright, and we have 4 purines, which are adenine 6 aminopurine, guanine 2 amino 6 oxipurine, hypoxanthine 6 oxipurine, xanthine 2 6 dioxipurine. So if you understand, make sure you like, you share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.